Hi, I'm Neil from N.Brown Electrical, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a standard UK appliance plug. So here we have a standard UK appliance plug with your earth pin, your live and your neutral, and they're marked L, N and E on the outside. They'll also be marked on the inside, so you shouldn't really get them mixed up. Just for information, the live is brown, the neutral's blue, and the earth is green and yellow. Just bear that in mind when you're wiring it up. So yeah, we've got three screws. One, the middle center screw keeps the two halves together, and the other two screws are for the cable clamp, which I'll show you in a minute when I get it open. So to open it up, you just undo the middle screw. Just be careful with that screw, because sometimes some plugs it lets that fall away completely, so you can very easily lose it. And this is the cable clamp I've been talking about, just here. And what we want to do is have the outer sheath of the cable that we're going to connect clamped underneath that, give it a nice secure connection, so that there's no undue strain going to happen on the actual terminations. And here we have again, I don't know where you can see that, but you've got, this is the earth pin, this is the live with the fuse on it, and this is the neutral. So what we're going to do is strip back enough insulation on the cable that we're connecting, so that it allows all these cables to be connected. So if we just line it up with the cable clamp, because obviously we want the outer sheath to be clamped on the cable clamp, we want to make sure we've got enough conductor to reach the earth pin, because it's the longest. And yeah, I reckon if we just strip it there, that should be enough. And what I like to do is use this little tool. I take the outer sheath off, so it's nice and neat, gives you a good clean cut. But you can just use a pair of cutters or snips, whatever you've got. Just make sure you don't damage the inner insulation when you're doing that in the process. So the next thing then to do is to undo the cable clamp, and what I actually do is take one screw all the way out and set it to the side. Just makes it a little bit easier. Back the other one off, but don't take it all the way out. You can just swing the cable clamp around just like that, and then we can line up the outer sheath with the cable clamp, and we can cut our conductors to size, to length, to reach the particular conductors. And what I like to do is I like to cut the brown first, because it's the shortest and it's going to limit where the sheath is compared to the clamp. So if we do that first and get the clamp on, then the other two connections become straightforward really. So just do that now. Hopefully you can see that. So I line that up there and mark roughly right there. Let's take a bit of insulation off, twist the ends over so we're getting a good connection. And then we'll undo the live termination screw. That should be enough. And then all you have to do is put the brown in, as you can see, tighten it up. Because you've done that, hold it in place, you can swing your cable clamp around and put the screw that you took out back in, and tighten. Make sure you're tightening down on the outer sheath only. We don't want to damage the conductors. There you go. As you can see, It's well clamped in there. Give it another wee tight. So the next step for me is always to do the neutral. Just line it up, cut it the length, strip the insulation, give it a twist, open the termination screw up, put your cable in, give it a tighten. Just make sure that cable is able to tuck down in there like that. That'll leave a free run for our earth to come up, swing around, connect to the earth pin. Yeah, you can see that, yeah, just like that. So, cut the length. Give the ends a twist again. Open the termination screw out. Feed the earth in. And that just looks like a perfect length. Make sure all the connections are tight before you finish off. Yep. Just before you put the back of the plug back on, just make sure that the cables are tucked down in the channels like this, otherwise you will struggle to get the top on, and there's a chance you might actually nip the cable, but it's plastic anyway, so but what you can do sometimes is nip the earth onto the neutral and cause a fault. So the only other thing to bear in mind is most plug tops come with a standard 13 amp plug. Not all appliances require a 13 amp fuse. It just depends what the appliance is. So just check with the manufacturer what size of fuse you need to use for the appliance that you're connecting in. And then simply just put the back of the plug back on. That's you, ready to go. Thanks for watching the video today. If you got any value from it, you thought it was any help, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the button here.